There are hundreds of inflatable paddle boards on the market right now. Supermarkets, as well as clothing companies, are branding their own models, and most come from the same factories in China with varying degrees of quality. Many products are available from Standup paddleboards, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best Standup paddleboards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So, without further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best Standup paddleboards. Number 1. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboards. You won't find us writing home about many budget boards, but the ROC earns a spot on our list for a surprisingly good combination of quality and affordability. This paddleboard is lightweight at 18 pounds and stable for a wide range of paddlers. It has a weight capacity of 350 pounds. The Explorer comes ready to hit the water with an aluminum paddle, hand pump, leash, backpack, and even a small waterproof bag to keep your valuables dry. You can find SUPs on Amazon for even less, but the Explorer is a great balance of quality and value, and ROC offers the added assurance of a dedicated customer service team and a 1-year warranty. Number 2. Star Photon 11.6 Inflatable SUP Board. A subsidiary of NRS, Star is an inflatable watercraft specialist with a large selection of high-quality kayaks, rafts, and paddle boards for everything from river running to flat water. Their Photon is an 11-foot 6-inch single-fin paddle board designed specifically for moving quickly and toting gear on longer expeditions. Like most of the boards here, the Photon features a standard drop-stitch PVC construction and inflates to 20 psi, and it also includes 4 D-rings on the nose for securing overnight gear. All told, it's a great starter setup for beginners who are interested in paddling longer distances for fitness or venturing out on multi-day trips with their SUP. Number 3. Bluefin Cruise SUP Package. The Bluefin Cruise 10.8 is one of the most sold paddle boards. The chic-looking board can shine with a very robust and stiff construction, which ensures great riding characteristics. As a cruising board, a mixture of all-rounder and touring board, the Bluefin Cruise is best suited for beginners and sporty newcomers. As one of the few paddle boards, the scope of delivery of the Bluefin Cruise also includes a kayak set. The included accessories already include a kayak seat, and the paddle can be converted to a kayak paddle with another paddle blade, also included. Also, the scope of delivery is also very extensive, and the accessory quality is very good. Number 4. GILI Adventure Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The GILI 11 Adventure Inflatable SUP board is a cargo-friendly all-rounder that can play at being a touring board. This board will appeal to beginners who want to practice touring, as well as intermediate paddlers who want to carry more equipment or take a pet along on their adventures. The high weight capacity makes it good for taking a couple of kids with you. Its 22 pounds also make it quite manageable. This board is affordable and comes with plenty of features and accessories. It is lightweight, compact, great for traveling, and offers great maneuverability and stability on the water. Number 5. Atlas Advanced All-Around iSUP Paddleboard. The Aquamarina Atlas is a sturdy, large, and fairly versatile inflatable paddleboard. Clocking in at 12 feet long and 34 inches wide, this board is roomy and great for bringing an extra passenger along. It's also great for those who enjoy SUP yoga or leisurely paddles along the shoreline with a small cooler on board. With a low to mid-range price point of around $699, the Aquamarina Atlas delivers on its price, even though some of its features have room for improvement. If you are looking for a stable paddleboard for casual cruising and leisure activity, rather than long touring journeys or racing sessions, then the Aquamarina Atlas might be a great budget-friendly option for you. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.